Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I was actually sitting here posting a few shorts which you guys have seen already, and I was going to make this a short, but I had a few things I wanted to share with you guys, so it's probably going to be a little bit longer than a short. But I had a few days ago went to Dollar Tree. I was looking for some candle, like the tea candle, what you call it, like tea candle holders, some cute ones, like some cute glass, like decorative looking ones. They have some on Amazon, and I did look up on there, but they were too much. I didn't want to pay 10 to 15 bucks for one little small monomer dish, like, you know, I wanted it for nail polish remover, acrylic, monomer, whatever. I just wanted one cute one. And they had some, but like I said, it was too much. So I went to Dollar Tree to go see if I could find a tea light candle, glass one. They didn't have any. I'm still on the hunt, though. I still want a cute glass one. I might go for the one I seen on Amazon, but right now I just want to find something, you know, I could use right now, for my alcohol, for when I'm doing my polygels, which I have on, and acetone, and like right now, I have earrings in here that I take off and throw on top of my dresser. But I found these in a 3-pack in Dollar Tree. They had them in the white, and they had red and blue, I think. So I grabbed white, and I just threw over some leftover cotton balls I had in here. They're not going to stay there. I might keep the one for my earrings for my dresser, but these two will be for alcohol and for nail polish remover. And I just thought these were really good for using for that. I thought they were glass when I first looked at them until I picked them up. It's just a really hard, like plastic, so I think it's going to be durable. I'm hoping that the acrylic nail polish remover doesn't eat through it, or like, you know, mess it up or anything. So I will be testing that out, and if it does, it's fine, because I have 2 more. So they came in a pack of 3 for just $1. Good price. So yeah, I got 3 of these. So just in case you guys are looking for something to dip your nail polish remover in, or your alcohol, these are something good you can go grab. Oh, before I go on, because I'm going to put y'all in the tripod here in a second, you're going to notice my nail is broke. I'm so mad. And I have caramel on my finger because I just made me some iced coffee. Inside I had a little bit of Tim Hortons left, and so I just filled it up with my Stoke coffee and some caramel cream, and I also have some caramel drizzle. That's what's on my finger. But I have my air grip polygel sitting here so I can fix this nail. I just broke it picking up an Amazon box off the porch. I cannot find the tip, or else I would have glued it back on, honey, but I cannot find it. It flipped over into the snow somewhere, and it's so down in there I can't see it. So I'm just gonna fix it. I was gonna fix it before the video, but it's just gonna take too much time, and I want to hurry up and get this over with. So excuse the broken nail. But you guys have seen me share these a while ago when I found them. Is this coffee too? Yeah, I've got caramel dried up on there. True coffee drinker. But you guys seen me share these when I found them both at, I found these both at 2 different Dollar Trees. This one I found recently. This one I found a while back, and I still have not opened it. It is the LA Colors Nail Art with Precise Tip Brush, $1.50 DIY kit, and it has heart, stars, and stripe stickers inside, and I really want to see what those looks like, since it's like Valentine's coming up, in the hearts I might could use those. So I wanted to go ahead and open it, and I wanted you guys to see what it looked like. It says there's 80 stickers in here. I don't know if I ever paid attention to that. So yeah, I wanted to open that up and see what it looks like. And then I also wanted to open this that I had recently found at Dollar Tree. It's the scented, there's more coffee. It's the scented Lavendery Love 2-piece LA Colors nail kit, and it has this cute glitter mini nail file. More coffee. And then it has this LA Colors scented nail polish, and it's a really pretty shimmer. So I want to go ahead and open this too and see if I can swatch it and see what it smells like. Oh, and I have this too. I don't think, did I open this for y'all? My son had got me this nail polish, the LA Colors. I think I shared this in a short. LA Colors Hypno Holographic and Wonder. So we can pop this open too and swatch it. I have my nail mat. I make these. I have this here, so we'll go ahead and swatch the colors onto my mat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my coffee and everything out of the way, and then we're gonna open this. One is not in a box or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. It's really pretty. Look at that shimmer, so pretty. But I did hear it looks like it's gonna be very light, and someone did comment and say that it's very like thin, and I can tell. See how thin that is? You zoom in. Very, very thin. So it would be nice as a top coat over, I don't know what color yet, or you'd have to do at least 3 or 4 coats and let them dry each in between to really get it to show. I'm just dipping some on here just to get it a little bit darker. See if we can see it a little better. I love all the little colors that are shining through on it. Really pretty. So this is from Family Dollar. I think you went to Family Dollar and picked it up, and it's called Wonder with an A. Wander. All right, next we'll do this purple one, the Be Mine 2-piece scented. That's what I'm excited to see, is if it really smells. Lavender scented. I wonder if the nail file has a scent too. We'll see. Don't want to dip it in there. Let's see. I think the file is scented. I smell something, not unless it's because it's in the package with the polish. Shake it up a bit. It's real pretty too, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be super light. All right, let me smell it. It doesn't smell lavendery to me. It smells strong, like a, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't know, like a polish chemical smell. It doesn't have a soft, like, nice lavender scent. Now, this one's a bit darker, but I dipped a lot on there because I want to see it. So let me just do it regular. So just a regular coat. That's so ugly. A regular coat. It's really thin, but I just did it a little, globbed a lot on there so we can get a look at it. All right, I don't know if the lighting is gonna show its true colors, but they're both pretty. This one, you know, of course it's more shimmer because it's holographic, but this one does have some light, you know, holographic colors in it. It is pretty and sparkly. Not bad, just really thin, and it does not smell that good. All right, next, let's see what's in here. That's the inside, so I see the stickers. I don't want to break another nail. Okay, there we go. All right, so here's the nail art striper, nail art DIY. So they're on this little plastic here. One is missing, but they're just white stickers, so very simple, easy. There's 2 missing, 3. Yeah, 3 missing, and then there's also some stripes, so the hearts And then you have stars and stripes here. So I'm gonna have to test them out. All right, here's the striper. Let's open this. I'm gonna get most of the polish off of here so we can see the actual striper. So I don't know if you guys can see. Nice thin long striper. Works nice. It has a nice little, yeah, brush on it. I'm no artist. I have not a clue. Just testing it out. I don't really want to pull off any of these yet. I don't have tweezers or anything. So yeah, y'all, these are it. So these were from this one was from Dollar Tree. These two were from Family Dollar. $1.50 for this set, $2, $1. I think I might have got this when it was still $1, 2-piece. So yeah, you guys, that's it. Just a little LA Colors opening and a testing to see what these look like, because it's been a while since I had them and I had to break them open and see what they were doing. So that is it, you guys. If you guys have tried any of these, make sure you comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you picked any of these up, or if you guys have these, like, what's a good color you guys think I could put as a base with this? Probably this too. Let me know. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you're new and give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.